from the Midland Public Library. Welcome to this week's Crafternoon video. Every Wednesday, we'll be putting out a fun craft video with an easy craft for your entire family. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to paint outer space, and this is a really easy and beautiful piece. And I'll also be talking about some of my favorite space books that we have here at MPL. So let's get started. I'll show you what you're going to need for this craft. You're going to need some paper, 2 pieces. You'll need a piece of black paper and then a piece of white paper. And for your white paper, I would recommend something a bit heavier, like a cardstock or something maybe from your notebook, your scrapbook that you draw in. And you're going to need something white to write with. You can either use a white pencil crayon or a white crayon. You could also use like a silver crayon, that would work as well. A pair of scissors and some glue. And something circular that you can trace to make your planets. And you'll need some water and some paint and paintbrushes, paper towel, all the stuff to paint your night sky background. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is paint your white paper, and I've chosen some paint colors that really go together. So I've got some gold, some green, and a couple blues, and some black, and I've watered them down a bit, but you could also use watercolor paint. And when you paint this paper, you can mix them and get them to spread together. You can do it really abstract. So let's start with some blue, and then I'll just add some more blue, some different blue, and some green, some gold. It can be really messy. So this is what my finished painting looks like. And while I let that dry, I thought I'd talk about a few of my favorite books that have space in them. This book called The Moon is from our nonfiction collection, and it has a lot of great information about the moon and space, and it has these really amazing illustrations. It talks all about spacecraft and how spaceships travel, and I really recommend it for anyone who wants to learn more about space. This book, called Professor Astrocat's Solar System, is a great book for younger readers who are looking to learn more about space. It's a story about 2 cats that travel in space, but then it gives you lots of great facts about all of the planets. So that's a really great read. And lastly, I have Kitten's First Full Moon, which is a picture book. But I absolutely love this book. It's actually black and white, but maybe someone would be inspired to make their outer space painting that we're doing today in the same style as this picture book. I'm still waiting a bit longer for my abstract painting to dry, but while I wait, I'm going to start drawing some stars with my pencil crayon on my piece of black paper. So you want to draw stars and circles, and you can draw stars whatever way you love to draw stars. Okay, so here's my night sky, and I'm going to show you what our next step is. Oh, I forgot. I'm going to need a pencil. Thanks. Using the pencil, we're going to trace some circles out of our abstract painting. And I'm just going to use this roll of tape to help me get 2 different shapes and sizes of circles. I think I'll do 3 planets, but you can do however many planets you would like. So here are my 3 circles, and I'm going to cut them out. I cut out 3 circles, and my final step is just positioning them on my piece of black paper where I'd like them, and gluing them down. And then after, I can add more stars if I want. Okay, so I've glued down my planet, and there you have it, a beautiful picture of outer space. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.